This is a 2022 tax return from H&R Block. If you switch to TurboTax this year, you can't open this file directly, but you might be able to import the data to start your new return. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's try the import. Based on my professional background, there's always a secret weapon for deeply corrupted T22 files. This advanced, near-guaranteed solution can be downloaded now. When we speak of file architecture, T22 is specifically built upon the data file type. This file strictly adheres to the TurboTax Canada 2022 return specification. Contains 2022 Canadian tax return information, including COVID-19 benefit repayments and simplified home office expense claims. CRA compliance schema, structured to handle specific 2022 CRA tax credits. The file integrates directly with the CRA Autofill My Return service data structure. The industry standard application for T22 is considered to be TurboTax Canada 2022 from Intuit, Inc. The system can open the file as plain text, but cannot apply its intended visual formatting. Windows may offer minimal previews, but complete visibility requires a compatible application. To unlock this specific file type, right-click your T22 file and select Open With. If TurboTax Canada 2022 is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. We are looking for the software that recognizes the header. When a T22 file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The universal solution is coming, but first, the explanation. Here is the technical breakdown of why your system is rejecting the T22 file. First, install the correct software year. Canadian tax files use the TurboTax format, where XX is the year. You must use the 2022 version of TurboTax Canada to open this file. Next, update the program. CRA tax rules are updated frequently. Ensure the software is patched to the latest version to avoid calculation errors. Finally, use PDF backup. If the T22 file cannot be opened, look for a PDF copy of the T1 general form saved on your computer. When we've exhausted the applications already installed on your PC, the logical next step is a universal fix. It is specifically designed to try and handle resistant T22 files. The real advantage of FileMagick is its deep-level access, allowing it to read the content of your T22 file instantly, regardless of the file's extension. Get this powerful tool at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future. Wishing you the very best.